Downloading Netflix movies and series allows you to watch them offline at your convenience without relying on an internet connection. This feature is particularly useful when you are traveling, commuting, or in areas with limited or no internet access. You can enjoy your favorite shows and movies without interruption or buffering. So, in this video, you're gonna learn how to download Netflix movie series and watch it offline. To do that, first you need to update your Netflix application. So, go to your App Store and search for Netflix. And then update Netflix application. Well, streaming content requires a stable internet connection, which can consume a significant amount of data. By downloading Netflix content, you can save on data usage, especially if you have limited or inexpensive internet plans. Downloading the content beforehand allows you to enjoy it without worrying about exceeding your data cap or incurring additional charges. Now in here, open Netflix application and then log into your account and choose a movie that you want to download or TV series. Example, I'm going to choose a movie here. Then just tap the download button and it will be automatically downloading this video. So that's how to download Netflix movie series offline. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!